Red!
Ugh, what is it now, guys?
Guess what tomorrow is?
I know. St. Patrick's Day, how could I forget?
That's right! And you better watch out, cause there's gonna be pinching!
You can do your silly little game away from me because I do not want to get pinched in behind by a crab like last year. Why don't you just pinch the pigs instead?
But the pigs are green! And we can't pinch someone who's green. Oh, you're right!
I hate it when Chuck's right. It's just not normal.
Why are the pigs in green first? What is really going on?
Pigs were already prepared for this day their whole lives.
It's never the case unless you put them in some sort of factory and paint them a different color. Hey!
2 hours later.
Oh boy, I can't wait to see our surprise! Wonder if it's a brand new toaster oven. Or a back scratcher. She's gorgeous!
Out of my way! She's mine!
No, I saw her first! So back off!
Well, I called dibs on her, so she's mine!
No, she's mine!
No, mine!
Ow! Steve, what just happened?
Well, I don't know, Ross. Let's just go back to our normal lives. I just don't get it.
Alright, birds, get ready to be pinched!
What?
Aw, man, we can't pinch them now that they're wearing green. Come on, guys. Let's go pinch things that aren't green. You just got pinched! Oh! Hey, no fair! We're already green! That's what you think. Aw, man, they tricked us! Now we're all pink. That's right, and the paint is temporary until March 18! And the best part is that it's not washable!
And just for that, we went every pig into the crab pit.
No! Not the crab! Yep, every last one of them. Now get in there! No, please! Don't do anything!
Great plan, Chuck. See, Red, no one can outgreen the Pinch Master.
Over me! Get me out of here! Get me running! The city!
The end.